Hello students, in this video we are going to see how we can form a polynomial when its zeros are given. Fine, let's say we have alpha and beta be the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. अगर अल्फ़ा बीटा हमें एक क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल के ज़ीरोज़ हैं दिए हुए हैं तो हम क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. दिस इज़ द जनरल वे. p of x यानी पॉलिनोमियल इन x दैट इज़ इक्वल्स टू k बीइंग अ कांस्टेंट. k एक कांस्टेंट है हमारे पास एंड विद इन ब्रैकेट वी हैव x स्क्वायर माइनस sum of the zeros that is alpha plus beta into x plus product of zeros that is alpha into beta. You have to keep this equation, this expression in mind. Suppose अगर हमें alpha, beta and gamma zeros of a cubic polynomial दिए हुए हैं तो हम क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. फॉर दैट वी हैव अ जनरल एक्सप्रेशन पॉलिनोमियल इन x इज इक्वल्स टू k इज कांस्टेंट एंड विद इन ब्रैकेट बिकॉज क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल क्रिएट करना है सो x क्यूब माइनस सम ऑफ द जीरोस अल्फा प्लस गामा इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस अल्फा प्लस बीटा गामा अल्फा इंटू एक्स माइनस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस दैट इज अल्फा बीटा एंड गामा. But in your syllabus we are just going to form the quadratic polynomial. So questions में आपको alpha and beta zeros भी given हो सकते हैं या फिर simply you will get sum of the zeros and product of zeros are such that. Fine. So let's see how we can solve exercise 2.2 question number 2. So the question says find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. यानी क्वेश्चन में आपको ज़ीरोज़ अल्फ़ा एंड बीटा अलग अलग नहीं दिए, आपको सम ऑफ द ज़ीरोज़ एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द ज़ीरोज़ दिया. मीन्स अल्फ़ा प्लस बीटा एंड अल्फ़ा बीटा. फाइन. रिस्पेक्टिवली मीन्स अगर आपका जो फर्स्ट वैल्यू है दैट इज़ द सम एंड द सेकेंड वैल्यू इज़ योर प्रोडक्ट. सो वी नो दैट जो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन फॉर्म करने का हमारे पास जनरल वे है दैट इज़ पॉलिनोमियल इन एक्स दैट इज़ इक्वल्स टू के विद इन ब्रैकेट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So k x square minus sum of zeros हमारे पास है 1/4. So we will write 1/4 x plus product of zero हमारे पास क्या है -1. So plus minus will become -1. So अब इसको हम rearrange करेंगे. We will take LCM here. So LCM will be 4. Fine. So this expression will become 4x square minus x minus 4 divided by 4 into k. So taking this 4 outside from the bracket you will get k by 4x square minus x minus 4. So this is your quadratic equation whose sum of zeros is 1/4 and product of zeros is -1. So you have to write k as any constant. Now let's see the second part of this question. We have sum of zeros that is alpha plus beta is √2 and product of zeros that is alpha into beta is 1/3. So this is the general expression. Polynomial in x is k into x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So k as it is, x square as it is minus sum of roots is √2. So this will become √2x and product is 1/3. Now taking LCM you will get LCM 3. So this will become 3x square. This will become minus 3 √2x plus 1 divided by 3. अब 3 को हम ब्रैकेट से बाहर लाएंगे. So it will become k by 3. 3x square minus 3 √2x plus 1 where k is any constant. Now the third part of this question. Sum of zeros is 0 and product of zeros is √5. This is the general way. Fine. So k as it is, x square as it is, sum of zeros is 0. So we will write 0 into x and product is √5. So this will be the expression. This will be the quadratic equation. K as it is, x square as it is. So 0 into x. No need to write this. So the quadratic polynomial will become k within bracket x square plus √5 where k is any constant. Let's see the fourth part. We have sum of zeros is 1 and product of zeros is 1. So we will write the general way. P of x is k within bracket x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Fine. So k as it is, x square as it is, sum of zeros is 1, so this will become minus 1x, and product is 1, so this will become plus 1. So this will be your required quadratic polynomial. Let's see the fifth part. In fifth part, you have sum of zeros is minus 1 by 4 and product of zeros is 1 by 4. Now polynomial in x is k within bracket x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Fine. K as it is, x square as it is, minus sign as it is. Sum of zeros is minus 1 by 4. So we will take this within bracket minus 1 by 4x and product is plus 1 by 4. So solving this, you will get k x square minus minus will become plus, so it will be 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4. Taking LCM will be 4, so this expression will become k 4x square plus x plus 1 divided by 4. अब 4 को हम ब्रैकेट से बाहर निकालेंगे. k by 4 is 4x square plus x plus 1, where k is any constant. So this is the required quadratic polynomial. Let's see the last part of this question. You have sum of zeros is 4 and product of zeros is 1, and this is the general expression for forming a quadratic polynomial. So k as it is, x square as it is, minus sum of zeros is 4, so it will become 4x. Product of zeros is 1, so it will be plus 1, where k is any constant. So this is the required quadratic polynomial. So I hope the question is clear to all of you now.